ang lahat para sa pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Dali.
In honor of our beloved Miss Nora.
I'm not mistaken, I'm celebrating my 40th year in the industry. I started when I was 7 years old when I joined the Miss Philippines. And of course,
Silver sponsors, Gen House, Savage, and Derma Premier House of Aesthetic. Media.
Ay, sa'yo pala ito. Right, thank you.
Di ba meron ka nung last yan? Nung last?
Ang pag-ibig ko sa FAMAS, no? Kung niligaya ka sa piling ng iba. Ito yata ang tinisong ng FAMAS eh. To our president of FAMAS, I hate to deserve.
Lahat maganda sa even though board members are present. Thank you for the shared journey. Mabuhay ang FAMAS, mabuhay ang pelikula ng Pilipinas.
Congratulations, Mr.
Thank you.
Center! Sana.
Dito na, Mayor.
1, 2. A celebrated and versatile actress in Philippine showbiz whose journey as a child to Philippine film and television remain a significant part of his legacy. Eyes remains an enduring